the inside of the tomato that we scoop out, we make tomato water and we make a jelly with it. It's very simply with we use agar. We set the jelly, and then when it's hard, we blend it inside the Thermomix. Very quick to make like a chopped jelly. And we are going to decorate this. See? You will decorate around like this. Alright, a bit of jelly. You could, if you prefer, you could also, when the jelly is hot, you set it in the bottom of the plate and you just cook it. But like that, it's nice, so it's all coming in one scoop. Okay. This one is basil, yeah, and arugula, half and half. You cook soft boiled egg, 6 minutes, and you use the white and the yolk, a bit like a mayonnaise, you know, some mustard you mix with the herbs inside, and exactly oil. Yeah. So we make some dots for decoration. This sauce is very important. You know, when we talk about sauce on the slide, this is exactly what is going to bring all together in your dish. So there is some inside the tomato. Sorry, I did both. See? I did not hire you on this one. Okay, and then here we are going to use the lentil for decoration like this. The black crispy lentil. We use the tips of the chives, yeah, to decorate. In the nice season, we also get a lot of herbs from our garden, flowers, herbs and flowers.